Maring, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Ninang. And I miss
And I
you.
miss you.
Happy birthday, Anne. More powers and more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. God bless. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Annie. I hope you have a special day. May the year bless you with good health and much joy. Thank you for your friendship. Happy birthday.
Hello Annie, good morning. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health, more power, and more blessings. And enjoy your day. Sana makita-kita pa ulit tayo at mag-celebrate dito sa Pilipinas. We miss you and we love you. Mamimiss ka namin dahil mag-alumni na naman yata this March. Okay, enjoy. Have a good time with friends and family. We love you. See you soon. Ingat kayo dyan. Love you. Stay healthy and beautiful. Bye.
Birthday na ni Annie. Birthday na ni Annie. Birthday ni Annie. Get out. Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Annie.
Happy birthday. Stay sexy, Ate
Stay
Annie.
beautiful, Ate Annie.
Stay healthy. We love you, Balasa.
We miss you, Ate Annie. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tita Annie. How are you? I just want to say thank you for the assistance you have showered sa aking pamangkin na tinanggap mo bilang anak. You're her second mother now there. At nagpapasalamat din ako sa iyong family, lalo na sa iyong anak na inakomodate dyan si Kayla Marie sa kanyang pamamahay. On this day, I just want to say maraming salamat sa pagtulong mo sa kanya at sa pagiging continuously mabait na kaibigan. We have served few years lang na magkakasama tayo sa CTC, sa STA, tapos back days pa natin sa CLSU. Ito na ngayon, we're reaching our golden years na nag-stay na sigurado tayo sa bahay. Baka ito na yung pinaka-retirement mo and enjoying life. Ang aking masasabi lamang is enjoy each day together with your family tsaka kay Utol Rod. Sana manatili kang healthy, maganda always, at saka enjoying life. Happy birthday. Ang masasabi ko lang, grateful ako na naging isa ka sa mga pillars o mga kaibigan ko na maaasahan ko kahit sa mga oras ng kagipitan. Nandyan ka pa rin. Ang layo mo na, yet nandyan pa rin yung puso mo para tumulong at maging tunay pa rin kaibigan. Maraming salamat sa iyo at saka sa inyong family. Dalangin ko sana manatili ka pa rin healthy at enjoying life each day, especially now na nakikita mo na yung mga fruits ng mga pinagpaguran mo in the past. Established na kayo mag-family dyan sa New Zealand. Hoping to say someday makakarating din ako dyan sa inyo at madalaw ko rin kayo katulad din ng mga pinapangarap ko pa rin na sana malakas pa rin ako, maging healthy at makabanding ko pa rin kayo in the future. Yun lang, and I wish you happiness, enjoyment, at saka tawag dito, magiging more enjoyable yung retirement mo. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello, my beautiful kumare. It's your birthday today, so greet kita ng happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is have a good health always, happy and long life. So enjoy your day. God bless. I love you.
Hello, Ate Annie. Today is Sunday, and I just want to greet you on your special day. Have a happy birthday. I hope you will enjoy your special day with your family, your mga apos, and syempre with Kuya Rod. More blessings and God bless you more on your birthday. Greetings from Dennis and Sally. Bye-bye.
Mare, happy birthday, Mare, my bestie. Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and love on your special day. I'm very thankful and grateful na naging best friend kita. We have so much memories in Sacopia, in CDC, and New Zealand as well. Hindi mo na ako tinuring na iba, Mare. Naging parang magkapatid na tayo, kapamilya at kapuso na din. And for that, I'm very grateful for your friendship. At Mare, I wish you all the best na pagkaloob ni Lord ang the desires of your heart, na maging patuloy na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng kalakasan sa iyong buhay, health, maging yung healthy mo, na patuloy na ang Lord ang mag-provide ng mga pangangailangan ninyo. At for that, Mare, wishing you all the best on your birthday, at saka the Lord will bless you and keep you always. And alam ko you have so many surprises sa iyong birthday. God bless you always, Mare. Love you always.
Alam mo si Ani, nagtatagdan ko sa kanya. Nagtatagdan ko kay Ani.
Magalang Tagalog.
Ay, sino ba? Wala ka.
Mapagpapakalayo.
Oo naman. Alam mo bang lahat yan nangyari na sa kanya? Minanifest lang niya yan. Baga parang nakukuha. Nangarap siya pa kasi. Nangarap niya. Tapos, yun nga, sumbok kami ng cup. Sabi niya doon, wala na yung cup. Gusto niya nakibenta. Ang nagsarang cup, hindi rin niya nagalit. Oo, di mo rin nagalit siya. Hindi rin ako nagalit ang cup na yan.
Always granted siya.
Oo, ang dami niyang ano. Tapos pati mga anak niya.
Happy birthday, Ami! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ani!
Kita-kita mo kasi na ulo. Nandiyan lang sa kopya. Pag nagkakaisa, sa kopya yan. Happy birthday, Mars.
Yan, sa'yo, mahal mahaba.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ani! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Maring Ani! We wish you good health and more blessings always. We hope to see you guys when we visit your inaanak next year in Wellington. We'll do a side trip to Auckland so we can catch up with you guys. Bye for now. We love you.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy your birthday, your
Enjoy
special
your birthday.
day. Bye.
Surprise! Hi, Annie. Siguro na nagulat ka ba't may video greeting ako. Nag-message si Roan. At siyempre, bilang kaibigan, nagpa-unlock ako sa request niyang mag-video message. Para sa akin, si Annie ay isang tunay na kaibigan. Nung nagtatrabaho ko, lalo na nung bago ako, siya ang gumabay sa akin, siya ang laging nag-a-assist sa akin at nagbibigay ng bagong kaalaman sa akin. Isa siyang mabuting boss, mabuting kaibigan, at may mabuting puso at kalooban. Isa si Annie sa mga taong tumatak sa akin puso at kaisipan sa naging katrabaho ko sa CDC. Kaya Annie, pagpatuloy mo ang pagiging blessing sa others. Kasi napakabuti mong tao at marami ka pang matutulungan sa pamamagitan ng iyong kabutihan. At saka, I admire your spirituality. Alam ko, active ka sa Handmaid of the Lord. Kaya, pagpatuloy mo lang yan. Muli, maligayang bati at sana tumagal pa ang iyong buhay at maging maligaya ka sa piling ng iyong sa pamilya mo at lalong-lalo na sa mga apo mo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Annie! Ang Super A ng CDC. Kumusta ka na dyan? Nandito kami lahat na iniwan mo. O ngayon, nandito, kompleto kami para batiin ka lang ng Happy Birthday! Di naman halata na 66 ka na, no? Hindi naman halata na kami ay malapit. Ay, ako senior na pala. Pero sila malapit na.
We miss you.
We wish you, Ate Annie. Enjoy your birthday.
Ingat!
Ingat ka.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your birthday!
We love you.
Hope to see you soon.
Yes. Pasyal ka. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Hello po, Ma. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Wish you all the best and long life po. Maraming pong salamat sa ginawa niyo sa aming pamilya. Lalo sa mga bata, kasama po. Pag wala pag may mga pasok po kami. Happy birthday po ulit. Wish you all the best.
Hi Ma! Happy birthday! Oh, thank you sa lahat ng tulong at pag-aalaga nyo sa amin, hindi lang sa akin, pati sa mga bata. Sana makapag-travel pa tayo ng madami, tsaka makapasyal pa. And wish you all good health and more happiness and love you always. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Ma! Just Lola.
Lola
lang.
Lola.
Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
Happy birthday po, Ma. Sana lahat ng wishes mo ay matupad at lahat ng wishes mo para sa amin matupad din. Thank you and see you tonight.
Happy birthday, Mother dear. Being your daughter is such a big blessing already from the Lord. Through you, we learned that prayer is powerful, that humility and kindness are truly beautiful, and that family is everything. Thank you for being our mama. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you for giving us what we need and taking care of us when we need it, Lola. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola! I love you. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Yummy food and shoes and t-shirt and shoes. I love you always. Mommy, wait. I love you. We love you. We love you. Mama, help. Yummy food. Mama, help. You always. Mama, help.
Happy birthday po, Tita Annie. Enjoy your special day and God bless always po. And for sure po, kung nandirito rin si Daddy ko, isa rin po yun sa magsasabing i-chat nyo si Tita Annie ninyo at birthday niya. So mula po kay Daddy at sa buong pamilya po ng Daddy ko, happy birthday po, Tita. And lagi po kayong magpalakas at para syempre magkaroon pa tayo ng mga bandings kapag nakakauwi kayo nila ate, nila tito, at ng iba ko pa pong mga pinsan. And para na rin po sa mga apo ninyo, Tita. Syempre looking young pa rin naman po kayo, 'di ba? And kailangan po malakas pa rin yung katawan natin palagi. Yun lang po, tita. Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo na po yun yung pagpapasalamat ko. Sobrang pagpapasalamat po sa buong pamilya ninyo. Thank you and I love you po, Tita Ani. Salamat po. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Ani!
Thank you and God bless you.
God bless you po. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Sister
Annie.
May you have many more birthday to come.
Enjoy your day.
Cheers! Sister, thank you sa mga padala. Maraming salamat.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Ali. More blessings to come and thank you sa pasalubong. Alright.
I wish you good health at sana may pambili ka ng pansit para long life. Sana makarating yung pansit sa amin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, Ate Ani. Happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko para sa'yo, sana lagi kang masaya, malusog at humaba pa ang iyong buhay. Maraming salamat sa iyo, lalo na sa mga tulong na ibinibigay mo sa pamilya natin. Mahal na mahal kita, ate, at kahit na malayo tayo sa isa't isa, lagi kitang ipinagdarasal. Lagi kong ipinagdarasal na sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay para matagal pa ang pagsasama natin. At lagi kong ipinagdarasal sa Diyos na biyayaan ka pa ng maraming blessings. Sana yung liglig, siksik at umaapaw na blessings para sa iyo at para sa iyong buong pamilya. At sana kahit nandyan ka sa malayo, huwag mo rin kaming kalimutang ipagdasal kasi alam ko malakas ka kay Jesus. Alam ko malapit na malapit ka sa Kanya kasi lagi kang mabait at laging mabuti ang iyong kalooban. At muli, ate, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Mahal na mahal kita. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Ani. Wishing you good health, happiness, and endless blessings. Love you!
Hello po, Tita Ani. Happy birthday po. Thank you po sa pagiging mabait na tita, mapagmahal at mapagbigay po sa ating pamilya. Sana po pagpalain pa po kayo ni Lord ng more blessings at ng malusog na pamangangatawan, masayang pamilya at mahabang buhay. Again, happy birthday po, tita. See you next year. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Ani. May your day be as bright and beautiful as you are. Ate, you deserve all the love and happiness in the world because you are a God's blessing to us. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy na birthday pa! Happy kaarawan! Hello, Manang Ani! I love you always! Maraming salamat sa support mo mula pa nung bata pa ako. Nung isinali mo ko sa Herona Got Talent at the age of 4, wow! Ako ang nanalo because of you. That was 1976. Mula noon, ang laki ng sampalataya mo sa akin na kaya ko. Then, ikaw din ang nagturo sa akin kung paano kumanta. Yung mga hits ni Imelda Papin, kung liligaya ka sa piling ng iba. Yung tutulba-tulba ako, na hindi ko mabigkas, then tawang-tawa ka sa akin. Then, nung elementary, ako ang taga-palengke mo, nakalista din, mamamalengke ako. High school, nagluluto ka ng pulburon, tapos binebenta ko sa mga klase ko para may pambaon ako. Thank you very much. Mula noon, napakadiskarte mo. So, palagi kang nag-iisip kung paano mo kami matutulungan dahil ang dami naman kasi natin. Then, every time na may problema ang pamilya, one call ka lang, then solve agad ang problema. Napakadali lang. Sa akin, parang hindi ko alam kung paano ko sasabihin sa'yo, pero sa'yo, pag narinig mo na ako, alam mo na agad kung ano ang, kung paano mo solve yung problem. Thank you very much. And kung ano man ang nangyayari sa family mo ngayon, deserve nyo po yan kasi napakabuti ninyo kayo ni Kuya Rod with kids. Maraming salamat. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi nagbabago yung pagmamahal, yung pagsuporta nyo sa family natin. Maraming salamat. I love you. Again, happy birthday. I love you always.
Happy birthday, Tita Ani! Thank you po sa lahat ng suporta, pagmamahal, at tulong po ninyo sa amin. More birthdays to come, and we hope to see you soon. We love you, Tita Ani!
Hello everyone. Warmest wishes to you, my cousin Annie, on your special day. I hope that you'll continue to change the lives of others with your kindness, love, and beautiful spirit. And I also hope that we will see each other again here in Melbourne or there in New Zealand soon. Because the last time I saw you was when my father died in 1994. Happy birthday and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Sis Annie! God bless! Kamusta kayo lang amin, Titan? Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Annie! Kiss, kiss! Ci vediamo, eh!
Happy birthday, Auntie Annie! Enjoy your day, Ante, and God bless you. Magbakasyon na kayo, Ante. At uuwi ako, Ante. Maraming salamat, Ante, sa inyo, sa mga, lalo na sa mga padala niyo palagi sa amin. Happy birthday, Ante.
Hello po, Lola! Hi po! Hello! Happy birthday po, Lola. Alagaan niyo po lagi sana yung kalawan niyo, yung health niyo, yung peace of mind niyo. And I wish you all the best in life, your happiness. Yun lang po. Sana magkita po ulit tayong lahat soon. And hinihintay po namin kayo lahat dito sa Italy. Tsaka hoping to visit New Zealand soon as well. I love you all. Miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday. How young? Balik ka na dito Stay healthy at mamamasyal pa tayo.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day.
Auntie Annie, happy birthday. Miss you so much.
Hi, Auntie. Sana makarating din kami dyan soon. I love you, Auntie. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Ante. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Anya.
Binabati ko ng maligayang karawan ang isa sa pinakamabait naming tita. Enjoy special day, Auntie. Regards sa lahat ng mga pinsan namin dyan. Love you all and miss you. See you soon.
Birthday, Ani.
Anong din baga?
Sige na.
Muna ka na.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. Kaya na nang pasyal niyo ulit dito ay naghihintay kami para makapasyal tayo ulit. Remember, yung secret ko sa'yo, hindi ko pa nasi-share.
birthday sa pinakamaganda kong ninang, pinakapaborito. Sana marami pang birthday na darating. Sana balik po kayo dito dahil marami po tayong hindi napuntahan. O kaya, sana kami din na makapunta dyan, makapasyal.
So, dapat hindi kayong dalawa na lang ni Uncle, kundi kasama na sila Roan, sina Agis, Lucky Joy, at saka si Nangna. Sama nyo na rin yung mga bata. Mag-enjoy din naman ng mga yan kasi may mga pinsan sila dito. Tsaka hindi sila maiinip kasi may mga pasyalan din na pambata. Marami dito, one day. Kaya kung pwede kayong lahat na para mas masaya, mas marami, mas masaya. Kaya sama na kayo, mga Agis, Ade, sama na kayo pina-ante pag bumalik sila dito. Para reunion natin dito sa Italy naman. Tapos sa susunod, dyan din sa New Zealand. Auntie, sana lahat ng wish namin, sa lahat ng wish mo, lalong-lalo na ay matupad lahat. And God bless. Love you. Happy birthday!
Family Garingo ay lubos na bumabati sa iyong karawan, Auntie Annie. More birthday and good health and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Grandma Annie.
Happy birthday, Auntie Annie.
Happiest birthday to our Mama Annie. We love you. We thank you for all the things that you've done for us, for the lovely and beautiful, yummy foods that you always provide for us. We wish you with many more birthdays and for the Lord to bless you with many more years to come and good health. And we just wish you the very best and to enjoy your special day with Kuya Lucky.
Happiest birthday, Maring Annie. I wish you all the best, good health, long life, more blessings, and happiness, and many more birthdays to celebrate. Whatever you ask, may you receive. Whatever you seek, you may find. Whatever you wish for may come true. Happy birthday, kumare kong maganda. Enjoy your day and God bless. Sending my love to all of you.
Hi, Ate Annie. Happy birthday. May you have all the joy your heart can hold, all the smile a day can bring, all the blessings a life can unfold. May you get the world's best in everything. And happy birthday, Ate Annie. Wish you all the best, good health, and God bless. Again, happy birthday, Ate Annie.
Hi, Ate Annie. We hope you enjoy your special day with your loved ones, especially with your boss.
Happy birthday, Maring Annie. May you continue to shine brightly. Happy 65th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Annie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay Annie and Lucky Joy. We wish you a good health and long life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate! Enjoy your birthday!
Happy birthday, Lula! Enjoy your birthday. Thank you. Bye. Action.
Happy 66th birthday, Ate Annie. God bless you always.
And enjoy every moment and have a happy birthday.
Happy 66th birthday, Ate Annie. Thank you for treating and welcoming us like your own family.
Happy birthday po, Tita.
Wishing you good health and a prosperous year ahead.
Enjoy po kayo dyan.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday po. At thank you po for everything. Alam niyo po, nung nasa Pinas pa lang ako, I always pray to God na sana yung mga makasalamuha kong tao dito, makasama ko, yung mga taong may mapuputing puso, mga mababait. And I can say na God heard me. He answers my prayers po kasi binigay po niya kayo, yung family niyo sa akin para po tulungan ako, i-guide ako, and para hindi ko po ma-feel na mag-isa lang ako dito sa New Zealand. Again, happy birthday, Tita. I wish you good health and enjoy life. And sana po mas marami pa kayong mga taong matulungan. Thank you po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hindi sabay-sabay.
Happy birthday to you.
Mali.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Messages po. Happy birthday, Sister Annie. Love
Happy
you.
birthday. Happy
More
birthday, Sister Annie. More
God
birthdays
bless.
to come. I love you,
Happy
Sister
birthday, Sister
Annie.
Annie. Happy birthday, Sister Annie. May you have more birthdays to come. Wishing you the best. Wishing you long life, happiness, joy, and contentment, peace of mind. We love you, sister. Have a safe travel to Apia and American Samoa. God bless.
Wow, congratulations, Sister Annie. Happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. I miss you. I love you all. God bless. Bye-bye.
Sister Met.
Happy birthday, Sister Annie. Wish you good health throughout your life. Amen.
Amen. Happy birthday, Sister Annie. All the best. God bless. We love you. Enjoy. One more time, sister. Happy birthday, Sister
Happy
Annie.
birthday.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Sister Annie.
God bless.
Happy birthday.